Hey guys, after you shot.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? This is DJ Tunders. What's up, guys? This is DJ Tanders. Another session of fun, cool, and informative stuff. I usually focus my vlog on travel and events, but today, Tander Nation, it's going to be a different one. We're going to be reviewing one of the most controversial devices of 2019, and that is the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Yes, sir. I finally got a Galaxy Fold today. We're going to be unboxing it, give you my initial thoughts, and see how fun and good this phone really is. Is it worth the hype? Maybe. Is it going to be broken by the time I open it? Hope not. We'll check it out and join me in my unboxing ceremonies. Go check it out. Alright guys, so this is actually a very interesting thing. It says the Galaxy Fold Premier Service. I guess this is because there's a lot of issues with the phone in the first iteration of it, and they're now giving you a 24-hour concierge service just for the phone. If you have any issues with the phone, you could call this 24-hour hotline. They also give you a screen replacement offer, which is about $149 plus tax, and you could only take advantage of this one time, and it's only valid if you do this before the end of the year. So here you go, the Premier service. What else is this? Oh, what a big surprise! It comes with an AKG Samsung wireless earbuds. Very nice. Very nice. This is probably going to be replacing my AirPods if I decide that I wanted to keep this. We're going to put that aside for now. Put all these things aside, and basically what I wanted to do is focus more on this beauty. This is the Galaxy Fold when it's unfolded. It really looks clean. It really looks sturdy and solid. We'll see how it pans out once we start turning it on. I'll be back. Galaxy Fold, secured by Knox, powered by Android. The AT&T logo. I got the AT&T logo because that's the only one available right now. Starting Android. It's asking me to open my phone to get started, so I'm gonna open it up. Nice. English, of course. Insert SIM card. Check out information. I don't want to read all of that stuff, so I'm just gonna say I've read and agreed to all of the above. Click on next. We're gonna be selecting my Wi-Fi. I'll be back in a bit. And we're back, guys. After adding this to my network and after putting in all my credentials and apps that I wanted to install on this beautiful phone, I started using it, and for the most part, I'm really impressed. The build quality, it seems to be very, very good. The front face here is basically too small for a phone. It's like going back to the iPhone 1 for the most part. It's very small, but at least it's usable, right? So if you don't want to open the fold and you could just, wanting to, check out different apps and whatnot, you could just, use it on the front. But the good thing is when you unfold it, it's basically, it's gorgeous. It's really nice. There's one thing I don't like about this, and maybe I just don't know how to set it up, is the keyboard. I'm used to like the non-split keyboard. Keyboard on here is very, for the most part, very split. I really don't like it, but I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna get used to it after a few practice here and there. I'm gonna be liking it. So what are your thoughts? I would like to hear your thoughts about about the fold. Do you think it's not worth the money? Do you think it's just more of a hype? I wanted to know more about what you're saying and what you're thinking about this phone. I'm still not 100% sure I'm gonna keep this phone. As you guys know, I'm an Apple fanboy. I don't even know why I decided to buy an Android device. Everyone or anything in my ecosystem is basically evolving around Apple products. So now I can't use my Apple Card, which is the Apple credit card. I can't use my Apple Watch anymore. I don't know. I'm on the fence. But I think this is worth giving it a shot. I'm gonna be driving it for a few days. I still have 13 days as my return policy, so we'll see what happens. And until then, I will give you guys an update as soon as I start using this in my day-to-day activities. So again, thanks guys, thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go subscribe down below. Click on the bell to get notified for any new videos. And here's my son, Enzo. He was checking out the phone. He also downloaded the Mario Kart, which he's gonna be playing pretty soon. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.